Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, the mechanics for securing floral foam. In a previous segment, I shared how to soak floral foam. Today, how to anchor it into the container. Cutting it to size and then just placing it directly in. Notice how it doesn't squish in. It slides in. That way there's space around a water reservoir to keep your flowers alive as long as possible. Then going back with the waterproof tape. Anchoring it. And you can think back to flower school. Do railroad or X. It depends on the design you're going to create. Then, an important little tip. Take a moment before you begin. Score your corners. You'll find it makes it easier to insert flowers on the edge where you have a flat surface. It's easier to add water. It's just better all the way around. So a last little touch for a professional technique when working with floral foam.